In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to import glass textures that you've exported from Substance Painter into Blender. If you have not exported your textures, click the card in the top right or click the link in the description. So, to import the textures, you will first need to enable the Node Wrangler add-on, which is found in Preferences. To do this, go Preferences, then Add-ons, and search for the Node Wrangler. I already have it enabled as it is extremely useful. In object mode, select the object that has the material you have made the texture for. Go into shader mode, click the principal BSDF and press Ctrl-Shift-T. Select your textures and then import them in. It will not import the opacity or any emission textures, so what we will do is add an image texture node and then select our opacity texture. Now we have the opacity texture, I want you to connect it to the alpha channel. As you will see, in cycles it works fine, but in EV it doesn't. The simple remedy to this in the EV is that you go to the materials property, go into settings, and then change the blend mode from opacity to alpha blend or alpha hashed. Consider subscribing if you found the video useful.